Hello, I just found you on the web and I am installing a self-cleaning pool system from A&A Manufacturing. I'm in Spain and I'm not sure if the Spanish people that sold it to me understand my question. For each of the 6 circles, I'm assuming in-floor heads from the distributor valve that go to the cleaning heads, can I just put in 6 long pipes and connect the cleaning heads for each along the way with T-fittings? Or does the distance to the distributor valve have to be the exact same to each of the 4 cleaning heads to have the exact same pressure at each cleaning head? Thanks for your help.
Well, ideally, there's the same distance from the feed line to each of the individual heads, but sometimes it's not that easy to do, and it may make sense to run lines and then tee off and go to each of your separate heads, and you may just have to do that, and you may adjust that by the closest one putting a smaller opening in that jet so it pushes water down the line, because each of the infloor heads can have different size water amount flows in them. They don't have to be the same, and you may have to play with that a little bit and put a little smaller head in the one that's closest to the pump and the biggest head farthest away from the pump so that you can even some of the water out. Ideal situation would be to run one line down and split it in 4 ways as simply as possible to get it to all 4 of those jets in the zone. But if you can't do it that way, you could do it the way I think you're explaining. You may just have to play with the jet heads themselves a little bit.